Your spirit aches for movement again, Sagittarius. You call it freedom, but sometimes it's just your heart looking for a mirror. If you stop running toward meaning, it might finally catch up to you. The sky doesn't end where your feet can't reach. It just bends inward, waiting to be felt. Let curiosity wander slower this time. The discovery you crave already carries your name.
Every road tempts you, Sagittarius, but not every road asks to be taken. You chase horizons like promises, yet the truth walks quietly beside you. If you listen, adventure stops being escape and starts becoming purpose. The spark in you doesn't fade in stillness. It grows, refining into clarity. You don't need the next thrill to feel alive. You just need to arrive where you stand.